per the rules of evidence, a witness is a person who perceives, meaning to say, through his five senses, and perceiving can make known his perception to others. That is the minimum requirement for a witness, that you are personally present and saw with some at least of your five senses what was taking place at the scene of the crime. Therefore, the requirement is that you must be an eyewitness or an ear witness or whatever sense was triggered by the events happening before you. Were you a witness to all of these accusations that you make against the Chief Justice?
No, Your Honor.
You cannot even be a witness and you are foisting yourself as a complainant before the public? What kind of good governance are you trying to promote? You're acting on anonymous sources. Every time there is something that requires identification of the source, the prosecution says there is no source. It came anonymously. Who is Mr. Anonymous? Since I want to ask the PNP and the AFP to issue an arrest order against him. Why is there a proliferation of Mr. Anonymous in this archipelago? And you're head of something that promotes good governance? That's your idea of good governance? You act on anonymous complaints? You don't even bother to examine for yourself using your own brains whether these complaints are fair or not? Plus, in addition to that, you say that you are lead convener of Kaya Natin. Ilan ba kayo sa Kaya Natin? Ilan kayong kasapi?
Yung members po namin, Your Honor, around mga 1,000 plus po.
1,000. Anong proof mo na mayroon kang 1,000 tao?
Meron po kaming pinapa-fill out po na membership forms, Your Honor.
Di pumunta sila, kusa sa iyo. Tapos sinasabi nila, gusto namin mag-membro ng Kaya Natin. Yan ba ibig mong sabihin?
Your Honor, meron po kaming caravan of good governance sa mga...
Asus, ang dami mo termino. Meron kang champion. Yung pala ang champion ay kasapi nyo. Meron kayong caravan. Yun pala ay grupo lang ninyo. Is that good governance? You're trying to mislead the Filipino public with your prestige or your influence, even only on the basis of numericality. Only on the basis of numbers. What is your proof that you have these many numbers?
Yun po, yung aming mga nagsasign up po sa aming membership list.
Saan? Saan ang pinirmahan nila?
Meron po kaming binibigay na membership form at saka online din po, Your Honor.
I will check. I will have my staff check whether you do have 1,000 because I doubt it very much. A person governed by ethics would not do the things that you have done